శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము 765th డే. ఓం అస్మద్గురుభ్యో నమః. నారాయణం నమస్కృత్య నరం చైవ నరోత్తమం దేవీం సరస్వతీం వ్యాసం తతో జయం ఉదీరయేత్. శ్రీమన్మహాభారతము థర్డ్ పర్వం, వనపర్వం ఆర్ అరణ్య పర్వం, 27th chapter. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Vaishampayana Maharshi teaching Sriman Mahabharatam to Janamejaya Maharaju, saying like this, O Raja. Draupadi Devi saying to Dharmaraju like this, O Dharmaja, Bhimasena is very strong soldier. Now he is very much excited to kill all the Kauravas in the battle, but he is just Tvat Pratignyam Pratikshamstu Sahateyam Vrukodaraha. He is just waiting until your promise is accomplished, and Bhimasena is enduring all the enemy's mistakes. O Dharmaja, now other brother Arjuna, though he has only 2 shoulders, he is equivalent to Kartavirya Arjuna who has 1,000 shoulders. Because of this Arjuna's very speed arrows, all the kings came down to you, bowed their heads, and they participated in your yajnam. All that happened because of Arjuna. Now such great Arjuna, tamimam purushavyaghram pujitam devadanavaihi dhyayantam arjunam drishtva kasmat rajan nakupyasi. Such great lion like Arjuna, the one who is worshipped by even Devatas and Danavas, such Arjuna now is going through this Vanavasam and so many troubles. Even after seeing this, why are you not getting mad at your enemies? O Dharmaja, Arjuna does not deserve to go through this kind of grief at all, but he is going through all these troubles. Even after seeing this, nachate vardhate manyuhu tena mokhyami bharata. You are not getting mad at your enemies, and after seeing that you are not getting mad, I am not feeling good. That is why I am worried more. O Dharmaja, this Arjuna, just with 1 chariot, he can conquer all the Devatas, Manavas, Nagas. Such great Arjuna is now doing Vanavasam. After seeing this, why are you not getting angry at your enemies? This Arjuna has brought so much of wealth for you. He brought so many horses, elephants, wealth. With 1 speed, the same amount of velocity, he can shoot 500 arrows at a time. Such great Arjuna is now doing Vanavasam. After seeing that, why are you not getting mad at your enemies? Like that Draupadi saying to Dharmaraju. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Jai Shriman Narayana. Jai Shriman Narayana. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our parents. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to our Acharya. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vedavyasa Maharshi. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Vighneshwara Swami. Let us Do Sastanga Namaskaram to the divine scripture Sriman Mahabharatam. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Let us meditate upon Sriman Narayana who is there within our own heart. Let us do Sastanga Namaskaram and sing the glory of Sriman Narayana. Sriman Narayana 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 Sriman Narayana Narayana Narayana. Sriman Narayana came down as Sri Krishna Paramatma and gave us Bhagavad Gita and asked all of us to do 8 things. That is why let us respond back to Sriman Narayana saying that we will definitely do those 8 things. O Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The 3 of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, 1 round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishyē vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.